Okay, hi darlings, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Beauty Name, and in this tutorial, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this eye puff on my natural hair. Yes, go. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this, you want to keep watching. Stay tuned, guys, and I'll see you pretty soon. Okay guys, welcome back. So if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Beauty Name. It's so good to have you here. So please subscribe to my channel so you can see more of my face, see more of natural hair content, vlogs, lifestyle, and so on and so forth. And if you've subscribed already, thank you. You have my heart. I love you. Thank you so much, and thank you for sticking by. So without further ado, let's proceed into the video. The very first thing I'm going to do is loosen my twist, which I just did to stretch out my hair a bit. Okay, and now I'm done. But the most effective way for me to get my puff right is to do this on a dirty hair. I've not washed my hair in like a month because I just loosened out the protective style. So I'm going to be doing this hairstyle, then washing it after, to just get rid of the gel and the dirt once and for all. But I've noticed that I get the right puff, or I get something I like when my hair is dirty. I don't know about you, but I really don't like to puff my hair when it's freshly washed because of the shrinkage, the old shrinkage, and yeah, mainly the shrinkage really. But right now my hair is not stretched out, but at least it's in a good form, and when I puff it up, it's still going to be looking still going to be giving like some volume, to get, if you get what I mean, basically. So this is a dirty hair, in case you start seeing residues falling from my hair. You want to spray your hair first. Spray the front and the back. So I'm just going to use my hand to spread the water all over my hair. Make sure that my hair has absorbed some of the water because I have a low porosity hair, and most times it takes a while for my hair to like retain the moisture or retain water. Then I'll be going in with my oil. This is a mixture of coconut, castor, olive, and peppermint oil. See? So I'm just going to spray that all. I'm just going to rub it all over my hair. Now I'll be taking a little more and applying it on my edges because I'm trying to grow them, and I've been seeing a lot of changes just by using this oil. So I don't want to skip taking care of it right now. Okay, so you want to go in with your gel now. So I'm going to be starting with the Eco Style Olive Oil Gel. I'm going to go in with my bristle brush to just brush off the front of my hair. So for some final touches, I'll be going in with the Gorilla Snot Gel. See? I just like the way it actually looks like snot, like kata. So I'm going to be applying this to the front of my head too. Then I'll be doing the same thing too to the back. So I'm going again with my bristle brush. So I'm done with the whole gelling process. So I'm just going to use my hand to pick my normal hair this way. So I'm going in with my hair packer, and I'm just going to start from the back. So I'll tie it in front this way, create a small knot, then I'm going to start pulling upwards. You want to really be gentle with this, but try to be a bit tight, but not too tight, because at the end of the day your scalp might begin to hurt, especially if you have like a tender scalp like mine. So you just want to be gentle with this. Pull the air. This is how I want my puff to be. So I'm just going to release this a bit because I feel like it's pulling the whole of my head. So I'm going to release this. Yeah, this feels better. Then I'm going to tie off at the back. Okay, so now I'm going to use my hand to pick my hair. So now I'm going to slay my edges to the living Jesus Christ. I don't really do much here. All I just do is use the Gorilla Snot Gel. Take little out of it and just apply it on my edges. So I'm going to just be tying off my edges with this. This really lays my edges down. Like by the time I remove this, my edges are all dried up, all fried, looking, I don't know, man, but this really works wonders. So looking like some Power Rangers, Super Rangers, something, yeah. I know, right? Okay, so I'm going to be going in with my scarf. Okay, so I'm just going to let this sit for about 15-20 minutes. I know I'm going to get tired after, let's say, 10 minutes, but I'll see what I can do. So I'll be back in 3, 2, 1, and I'm back. Ooh. Okay, so I used like 15 minutes or thereabouts. I didn't even time myself. I just went ahead to do some other things, and when I got tired, I felt, let me come back and unravel this hair for you guys to see. I'm pretty sure my edges are dry now, but I can't vouch for my front hair, as in my gelled up parts. You see, it's not totally dry, but I'm very sure my edges are dry. So get ready to be wowed. Get ready. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. Okay. We are real day. This is where we say we will get to. Oh, wow. Ooh. Okay, girl. Wait. Girl. feel like my edges cannot stand up again. I'm going to pick out my fro with the white tooth comb just to add more volume. Okay, girl. Then I'm going to add some eye accessories so I can look cute. Okay, and I'm done. And I like the way I look right now. So, mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of them all? Me, girl. Beauty. All right, so I've come to the end of this video. Ugh, I don't want to leave because I know I look too good right now. I don't want to leave. Anyways, let me know in the comment section how I look. I don't mind if you're hype me up because I know I look bomb right now. One simple trick or tip you need to know is that if you want your fro to look this full, just make sure you have your hair stretched before you throw it up, or before you puff it up. Like have it in twist or braids or weave it to the back, then loosen it. Don't really comb it that much, but detangle it with your fingers and throw it, sis. And you're gonna be thanking me later. That is how I do mine. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll be seeing you in one of my other videos pretty soon. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I brought all of this juice to your screen. What's my offense again? I thought I was doing you some good, giving you this beauty vibes. Anyways, please subscribe to my channel, and if you subscribed already, you know how we roll. You know I love you. Thank you so much. So like I said, I'll be seeing you in one of my other videos. Bye.